Hi everyone, hello.
Is your timing?
Huh?
Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Let me do what I do best. Slow down, let me talk to you. Don't tell me about your worries. I ain't staying till the afternoon. I let you.
Hi everyone, hello and a very good day. This is hari esoknya and I baru je sedang get ready. Semalam I memang tak ada rasa nak siap-siap pakai elok-elok, tak ada. So that is why I just rakam je lah. I buat kerja and then afterwards I akan masak naengmyeon, which is a Korean cold noodle. It's a halal version. I'm testing it out and if it does taste great, so I really hope that you guys can try it out as well. I hope it turns out okay, but I'm really excited. And if you aren't a subscriber already, please do and subscribe. I am trying to post videos very consistently every week. And then yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.
I don't think like that, she says to me. I can't help but feel the subtleties. So if it all expires, I guess the date's not what it seems. But I can't help it, boy, she says to me. I'm not sure I truly gave my best. Made a home but still feel like a guest. And if I've made just one mistake, it's not speaking with my chest. And maybe I'll just cry a little less. The tension, headaches always get to me. Often leave me dazed and wondering. So do you mind if we rewind? 'Cause my mind's on other things. But I'm not.
give some of it to me. I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page? Tonight can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. My love language is your love and affection. Won't you give some of it to me? Yeah, I need you present. Instead of giving me presents, you're not getting off that easily.